Hey everybody! Today we're going to completely customize your text cursor size and indicator color in Windows 11, so you never lose track of where you're typing again. First, hit the Start button, type Settings, and slam Enter. Look at the left-hand navigation sidebar menu and click on Accessibility. Over on the right side, under the Vision group, click on the Text Cursor section. Toggle the switch next to Text Cursor Indicator to turn it completely on. Look right below at the indicator size slider bar. Drag it to the right to make the indicator bubbles at the top and bottom of your cursor much larger and easier to see. Move down to the recommended colors palette and click on a high visibility neon shade like bright purple, lime green, or turquoise, or click Choose Another Color to drop in a custom hex code. To make the literal vertical typing line thicker too, look further down under the Text Cursor Thickness header and slide that adjustment bar to the right until it matches your visual style perfectly. Your modifications will deploy instantly across your entire operating system workspace without needing a reboot. And that's it! Your typing tracker is now perfectly visible and automated. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.